Hey, Marshall's ready. Where are we all at, guys? Raise your hands, guys. Huh? Yeah. Hold on.
Get that corner covered still. I'm old, I can't look that fast. You'll have to learn. I'm watching you, man. You dance like a little gazelle across the paintbrush, sprain my ankle. You dance like a little gazelle, man. You look like it's
Okay, guys. Marshalls. You guys look alive. This is our open short course two-wheel drive main event. Get ready to go on the toe. Less than 5. Take it easy on that first lap, guys. Oh, bunch of people getting caught up. Big J is trying to stretch at this point. Let's see who the blue car was. He gets tangled with a bunch of guys. Careful. Oh man, now we got a 5-way battle for practically last. Big J running away. This is his opportunity. Kreider, the man that makes his lovely sports sandwiches all day, in second. Frank Brewer in third. Oh, him and Ron Williams. Come on, guys. Oh, but Ron gives it up. Brewer goes by. To go. Big J trying to run his Brewer fishing. Went upon the Mayor. The wind's picking up, and everyone is sailing now. Our leader hitting lap traffic at this point. Did again one long lap going from like 4th to last. Plenty of time to go. 3:15 to go. Big J, our third front runner. Closing back next to him is the Tiger Side Kreider. Third place Sawyer's dad, Frank. Mr. Ron Williams in fourth. Swenson in fifth. Ted, Rudy, John, Kevin, and Dale. 2:50 to go. Kreider right in front. We'll see if Frank and Dave can have a nice battle for second place. Remember, Frank, if you got one of those sandwiches, that's the guy that made it. We got a two-way battle. Oh, Frank uses the berm. Nice use. Gets some speed. See if he can catch Kreider. Fabtech truck goes to second and third place truck. There they come. Fabtech truck. Thank you very much. Oh, careful. Sawyer telling his dad, you got to drive like I did for the main event. Big J. 12, 5, 17 with 2 to go. Everyone knows that team up on the county right now. Bitta working his way back up. 25-9. Bitta dominating this class. Nobody even close to that lap time. Oh, Frank and Ron get into it. Get caught up on the corner table. Our leader going towards the side tabletop, coming up next Treasury Street. Big J, Kreider, Swenson, Williams, Gill. We got a 3-way battle for third place. Bruce Winston punches into the third spot. One to go. Three-way battle for third. Ryder's got a little. Oh, Ryder on the behind the minute. Now this should be making it very interesting. There's Winston and Williams. Ryder's right thumb. He got a target right there. Let's see if Brewer can get back into it. Our leader just trying to get around Brewer. He's currently at fifth. Let's see if Jay Joseph takes it. There you go. 34 seconds to go, drivers. 34 seconds. Two-wheel drive mod guys, give us a little bit of time, guys. We're going to put a little bit of moisture on the track. So don't put your cars down right away, guys. Give us a little bit of time. Ten seconds. Looks like Big Jake got this one wrapped. Careful. What is that? Grab it. He's going to the car named Dale, you're done. Winston, you're done. Finishing in second, gets around prior, trying to get taking advantage of on the last lap. Big J, our winner. Wow, 5:18, only got to do a 12.